This is interm amplifier. It's a very nice one. As you can see inside, it looks nice. Just dusty. It's full of dust inside, but it's very powerful amplifier. The issue is making a buzzing sound. So I find out that one channel here, which is this one, is just on my bench here, ready to be fixed with my friend. Yeah, so as you can see, this is 1000 watts. Each channel is 500. Yeah, so we have 10 transistor. This side there's A, and that side, another side is a C one. So it looks like C channel, some of the transistor dead. That is what we want to fix. Yeah, this is a very powerful amplifier. I just want to clean it up, make it nice. Yeah, thank you guys.